it's starting to heave me off. Hey, hi, how's it going? Thank you for clicking on my video and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another Valentine's Day look, but not going to be an ordinary Valentine's Day. It's going to be a bloody Valentine's Day look. So I've already done my brows. I used the L'Oreal Brow Artist Designer in the shade Dark Brunette, and the Rimmellondonnz Brow This Way Brow Starting Gel in the shade Medium Brown. I'm going to move on to my eyes next, and I'm going to be dipping into two palettes today. The Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, how beautiful, and the cult favourite Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. So these two bad boys are going to create whatever look we create today. I've got some sort of idea in mind, but we're also just going to wing it. Alright, to prime my eyes, I'm going to take the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade One Fair. I love this concealer. It's really good, it lasts, and it's from the supermarket, so she's cheap. And I'm just going to set that concealer using the Rimmellondonnz Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in the shade Sandstorm. I know, look how bad that is. Alright, we're going to start with the Modern Renaissance palette, and we're going to go into the shade Golden Ochre just for a nice transition colour. Alright, now jumping into Burnt Orange. Now I'm going to go in with just a bit of raw sienna into the crease. Alright, now right into the depth of my crease, I'm going to take Venetian red. Is that it? Venetian? I don't know, sorry. Now going in with the Beauty Killer palette. Ooh. And I'm going to start with the shade Black Rainbow, and I'm going to take that on the outer third and crease of my eye to give it a bit more smoke, you know? Take the Collection concealer again, and I'm going to cut out the inner third, probably halfway of my eyes. Just see how dramatic I get. On the same detailing brush, I'm going to take the shade Confession from the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. Just to make it stand out a little bit more, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray and give my brush a little spritz. Again into the Beauty Killer palette, I'm going to take the shade Princess and put that just between the black and the red just to blend it all together. So we're going to go with some liner, and I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Liner. So stressful. Does anybody else? Okay, I'm going to stop playing before I completely screw it up. Just just taking the Covergirl Liquidine Blast eyeliner in the shade Black. Rest of the face. First gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio Primer in the shade Blur and Illuminate. This is one of my favorites. The foundation we're going to be using today is the Rimmellondonnz Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Foundation. I have the shade 100 Ivory. I like this one. I love the big doe foot applicator, so I can just... And I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Pro Line brush in the foundation something brush with P55. That was not enough. Back to the concealer, and I'm just going to conceal my under eyes and highlight the points of my face. Now just going to set it using the Rimmel Stay Matte. Bronzer, I'm going to be using the Rimmellondonnz. Wow, it really is a Rimmel party. The Rimmellondonnz Sunshimmer Maxi Bronzer in the shade 6 Warm Up. For contour, we're going to be using the LA Girl Pro Contour Powder, just the contour shade for this one. Like to contour their chin. I don't want a super sharp nose contour, so I'm just using what's on my brush to give it a little bit of definition, you know. Just threw on the Xobeauty the Wanderlust lashes and use the L'Oreal Voluminous Feline mascara. In the waterline, I use the Rimmellondonnz Exaggerate waterproof eyeliner in the shade in the nude. I'm now going to use the Essence Matte Touch blush in the shade Bury Me Up. For highlighter, I have two today. I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Loose Powder Highlight in the shade Queen. Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit in the shade Pink Heart.
For lip liner, I'm using Essence Cosmetics in the shade Femme Fatale. Now going in with the I Love Sunny X Colourpop Ultra Metallic Lip in the shade Coquette. Now going in with some heart stickies that I found at the $2 store. Yes, I'm lazy, but it was so much easier to do it this way. I had no real plan of where I wanted to stick them, but I just decided to stick them just on one side of my face until I was happy with the amount. Now going in with a little bit of the lid, and I'm just pouring that starting from the top, working my way down as you'll see it start to drip down my face.